Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 914 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Galaxy Digital is acquiring the Helios mining facility from Argo. Tokens.com has reported its financial results, and Santo Mining is developing Bad Bunny's NFTs. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, which trades on the TSX under the ticker GLXY, has agreed to acquire the Helios Bitcoin mining facility and its related operations from Argo Blockchain, which trades on the Nasdaq as ARBK, for approximately $65 million. Helios, as described in the press release, is a large-scale Bitcoin mining facility located in Dickens County, Texas, that has the ability to operate up to 180 megawatts of mining capacity utilizing immersion cooling technology, and is expected to provide Galaxy with as much as 800 megawatts of capacity upon receipt. Chris Ferrero, the president and chief investment officer at Galaxy, said, quote, "Galaxy is aspiring to be one of the most trusted nodes of the decentralized future. The acquisition of Helios represents a new stage over our 2-year journey into Bitcoin mining that increases our operating scale and breadth of solutions, creating sustainable value for the biggest decentralized digital asset network and shareholders alike." End quote. Moving along, Tokens.com Corp., which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol SMURF, has reported its financial results for the 9 months fiscal year ended September 30th. Highlights there include year-end cash balance of $5.8 million and digital assets cryptocurrency balance of $7.3 million. Total revenue for the 9 months of $678,000, and total assets standing at $20 million. Andrew Kegel, the company's CEO, said, quote, "Fiscal year 2022 is marked with non-cash losses that reflect the revaluation of the crypto assets we own. However, these non-cash losses have not impacted the ongoing growth within our metaverse and gaming business segments. Despite negative global macro events and the subsequent impact on our share price, management at Tokens.com has been able to build its businesses at Metaverse Group and Hulk Labs. Both are revenue positive and growing." End quote. Lastly for today, Santo Mining Corp., which trades on the OTC under the ticker SANP, has announced that it will develop the Bad Bunny's NFTs on the Chimba blockchain. Bad Bunnies, according to the press release, are the first R-rated generative NFT drop on the Chimba blockchain, inspired by gamer favorites such as Final Fantasy VII, Mortal Kombat, God of War, Dragon Ball Z, Planet of the Apes, BYAC, and Blood Bunny. Fran Jose Iglesias, Santo's CEO, said, quote, "We are stoked to develop one of the first use cases for the Chimba blockchain, and that to be the Bad Bunny's NFTs. The NFT market will continue to grow, and we expect that the next 5 years, the NFT market will grow exponentially." End quote. We'll see about that. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCX.